Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing an isolated Python environment so libraries don't conflict. First, confirm Python 3. 8+ and pip are installed, then create a venv and activate it. Once done, install pandas and OpenPixel because pandas handles data frames and OpenPixel is used by pandas to read/write. XLSX files. Make sure to choose the right engine when reading legacy files. This avoids permission and version issues later, and it gives you a reproducible workspace to develop against. Now you load and transform data step by step. Read the correct sheet with pandas. Read Excel and specify engine equals OpenPixel to avoid engine errors. Then inspect structure using df, head and df. Info so you understand types and missing values. Convert columns explicitly to numeric or data time when needed. After that, perform filtering, grouping, and column transformations with vectorized operations or DF. Apply for custom functions. Make sure to test changes on a subset to confirm. Finish by writing clean data back to Excel or a faster CSV depending on needs. Use DF. To Excel with engine equals OpenPixel and index equals false to avoid extra columns. Once done, automate via script with CLI args or schedule it with cron or task scheduler so you don't repeat manual steps. If something goes wrong, first check for file locks, wrong engine for XLS or encoding mismatches. Also validate data types and nulls. If persistent, isolate the step and reproduce on a small file to pinpoint the failure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.